So today we're going to take a look at how I can get my 30 Hands project from my iPad into Google Drive. So here it is. I'm going to pretend that it's all done. So I'm going to tap up in the upper right hand corner and click on the share, and I'm going to publish the video free. And when I do that, I'm just going to choose save to the camera roll, and it's going to go ahead and initialize it. So while it's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and pause because that will be rather boring to watch. So you can see that I've successfully finished up publishing my video to the camera roll. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go in and go to Drive. So Google Drive, because that's how I'm going to upload it. And when I come in here, it's going to ask me to sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And while I do that, I'm going to go ahead and pause again. So after I've signed in, then I should see all of my drive. Now I've got quite a bit of stuff. You can do lots of different things. For example, if I wanted to create a folder, if you have quite a bit of stuff, you could click on the plus sign, create a new folder, and I'm just going to call this one 30 Hands. If you don't have a lot in your Google Drive, you may not need to do this. It's really up to you. But let me go ahead and create that. And now I'm going to select the folder, and I'm going to hit the plus sign again. And this time I want to upload photos or videos, and it's going to take me to my camera roll, and the very last thing on my camera roll should be my project because I just uploaded it. So once I select it, I can hit the check mark that's up here in the upper right hand corner in the blue box, and it will begin to upload the document. So I waited just a little while to make sure that my video finished rendering. Now, in order to share it, all I have to do is I click on the little eye over here to the right. It's going to give me this menu, and I can click on share. And then at this point, I can type in the name of whoever I want to share it with. So I'm going to share it with my personal account, or actually I'll share it with this one right here. Okay, and then I just check mark, shared it with my son. And then I now have that as a shared file, and I can tell that because right over here by the name there's now two people there, so that tells me that it's shared. Once I've shared the file, the key thing is that I want to log out of my drive, so I'm going to arrow back. I'm going to click on the three lines next to drive. When I see my name here, I'm going to click on the gear. I'm going to click then next to my name again, and I want to manage this, and when I click on manage, it allows me to remove my login from this iPad, and that's extremely important because if you're sharing the iPad, if you don't log out, the next person can come on in and then they would be able to see all of your data. So when I log out, then this is all blank. So hopefully this will help you out getting your 30 Hands file from the app itself to the camera roll and then eventually up into Google Drive.